Hi viewers, this is Ramesh and welcome to my channel. Let us come to the topic application of trigonometry exercise number 12.1 from that 7th question now. So I will read the question. Please look at your book or not. Question will be displayed on the screen only. An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. He need to reaches 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do the repair work. What should be the length of the ladder which he should use when he climb it at an angle 60 degrees with the ground? What will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and foot of the pole? Here they asked you two questions actually. So an electrician want to be repair a electric connection of a pole with a height of 9 meters and he did not to be climb complete pole. He have to be reaches only 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do the repair work. So to climb it, use the ladder with an angle of 60 degrees. He climbing the pole with the help of a ladder. That means the angle of ladder is 60 degrees. And here he asked two questions. One is the length of the ladder and the distance from the foot of the ladder to the foot of the pole. Let's draw the net diagram of this question now. Already I had drawn the question. Net diagram here. Look at everyone. Here AB is the complete length of the ladder. That is 9 meters. So he did not climb the complete pole now. So he comes 1.8 meters below this pole. That means complete 9 meters minus 1.8 meters. That means 7.2 meters. That means you have to climb up only 7.2 meters to do the repair work. So here you use the ladder. Here this is a ladder CD. AB is the total length of the pole and CD is the length of the ladder. This is a ladder. So this ladder makes a 60 degrees angle with the ground. So with using of this is climbing 7.2 meters of the pole to do the repair work at the C. So now we need to find out this length of the ladder and the distance from the foot of the ladder. This is the ladder, foot of the ladder, and this is the foot of the pole. This distance we need to find out. So simple children. So let us see what is given and what we need to find. First we will find out the length of the ladder here. The length of the ladder, let us find out. What is this? Now this is a hypotenuse, this is opposite side for this angle. For angle 60 degrees, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse is sine 60. Sine 60 degrees equal to opposite 7.2 meters by hypotenuse, nothing but a CD here. Here CD means, you understand that CD is nothing but a length of the ladder. Remember please. Now let us use here what is sine 60 degrees value, that is root 3 by 2. 7.2 meters by CD. By doing cross multiplication and find out in CD here 7.2 meters into this 2 by this root 3. So here let us, this root 3 will rationalize root 3 by root 3. Okay, now what we get here, CD equal to 7.2 meters into 2 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Here 3 ones are 3, 2.4s are 3 2s are 6, 1 left here 12, 3 4s are 12. Now let us CD equal to 2.4 into 2 into this root 3 value 1.732 meters. And CD equal to, you multiply this completely so that we get that 8.31 meters. Already I multiplied to not to waste the time. I completely done it. So we have completed this. The length of the ladder is 8.31 meters. Now we need to find out the distance. The distance from the foot of the ladder to the foot of the pole. So let's see what is this now. For this angle, we know the opposite side. We need to find out this adjacent side. Opposite by adjacent. This idea we need to get. Opposite by adjacent is tan. So let us find out the tan now. Tan 30 degrees equal to opposite side 7.2 meters by adjacent side it is BD. BD is nothing but the distance from the foot of the ladder to the foot of the pole. Yes. Tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3. That equal to, 60 degrees, no? Tan 60 degrees then root 3. Root 3 equal to 7.2 meters by BD. Here BD equal to 7.2 meters by root 3. This root 3 we rationalize it and we get here BD equal to 7.2 meters by root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Hence here BD equal to 7.2 meters into root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 2.4s are. Just now we have cancelled here. Hence here BD equal to 2.4 into root 3. Then BD equal to, here you get 4 point, similarly equal to 4.516. 156. 156. Already I solved this problem. I have done the multiplication so that I got it. So this is what the distance from the foot of the ladder to the foot of the pole. So we got 2 also now. Let's go for the next question now. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 degrees with the bank of the river due to the streams of the river, and travels the distance of 600 meters to reaches the another side of the river. What is the width of the river? To understand this question, let me tell you. A boat was to cross the river. It crosses the river by making of angle 60 degrees. How it is make angle 60 degrees? With the, due to the streams in the sense alalu, waves. Okay, it makes the ups and down with the waves. It goes the ups and down. No, it makes the 60 degrees angle. It crosses the river. So it travels the distance. It travels the distance 600 meters to reach the another side of the river. So the boat will traverse completely 600 meters to cross the river. There will be waves in that, ups and down. So the distance will be actually lengthy. So it have to go up and down due to the waves. So we need to find out actual width of the river here. Let me draw the net diagram of this question now. Here, suppose this is a river. This will be a river. Suppose here is a AB. Is the river. It was to cross the river. Suppose the boat is here. It was to cross the river with making of 60 degrees an angle with the waves. Due to the streams, it crosses this bunker with a 60 degrees. And let us find out. So it takes here 600 meters to reach the another place. 600 meters to reach the another side of the river. So this is C. Now actually we need to find out this width of the river. Very simple. We need to find out this 600 meters. So let us find out. So what for this angle? So this is hypotenuse actually. So for this angle opposite, and this is adjacent side. What is given actually? Hypotenuse and adjacent sides are given. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse is only there will be sec or cos. So we take the cos 60 degrees equal to cos 60 degrees. Why we need to take cos 60? Here for this angle is given adjacent side and hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse will give us only cos, no? So let us cos 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees by adjacent AB. Here AB is nothing but, remember that is the width of the actual width of the river. Okay, here AC is the travelled distance 600 meters. So 600 meters. So cos 60 degrees equal to, that is 1 by 2 equal to AB by 600 meters. Let's do the cross multiplication. What we get here? 600 meters into 1 equal to 2 into AB. This 2 also we transfer this side. It will divide, no? AB equal to 600 meters by 2. 2 ones are 2, 300s are. Then AB equal to 300 meters. That means the actual distance of the river is 300 meters. I hope you understand this video. Now the next questions I will reveal in my next video. Till that time, practice this. Keep smiling. Bye.